Alright, so let's get started with this look. First, I'm going to be using this NARS Tinted Glow Booster. I'm going to be applying it all over my face. I'm just going to be applying it with my fingers. And what it does, it just boosts this, like that glow from within. And you can also wear this by itself. Next, I'm going in with Too Faced Eyeshadow Insurance. I'm also going to be putting this on with my finger. Next, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. So I'm going to be applying it with my fingers. This is a very nice, smooth tinted moisturizer. So it gives you a bit of tint and it just makes your skin look even. Also, make sure you bring it down your neck so it matches the rest of your body. This is a great tinted moisturizer if you're just don't want to put regular foundation on, but you just don't want to leave the house without anything. So I'll be using NARS Radiant Cream Concealer, and I'll just be using it right underneath to hide those dark circles. So I'll be using my ring finger and just tap it in. And I'm bringing it up to my brow bone just to even out the skin underneath. And then I also bring it right in the corner of my eye. And if you have any blemishes, you can always tap a little bit of the concealer on any of the blemishes that you have. And then what I do is just tap it around so you blend it. Now I'm going to be using the Benefit Poise Tint, and I'm going to be using that as a cheek color. It has an applicator and you just dot it on your cheek, and then with your finger you just blend it. And if you feel like that color is not bright enough, you can always go back and put more. All of these products are buildable, meaning you can layer on as much as you want and it gives you the coverage that you need or the color that you need. So if you feel like you need more tinted moisturizer, you can always put more. If you want more concealer, you can always put more. Next, I'm going to be using this NARS liquid illuminator. I'm going to use it for highlight, and I'm going to be using my finger. I'm going to put it right on my cheekbone, and then I'm also going to bring it up right underneath my brow. So on my brow bone, go back to the other side. And now that I'm done using all my liquid and cream products, I'm going to go with a powder and just powder everything down. I'm going to be using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and a big fluffy brush. And you just want to either pat it down or use circular motions to apply the powder, and it just sets everything in place. I like using this powder because I feel like it's very lightweight. I'm going to be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit, and usually I always like to brush up my brows first to see where I need to fill them in. And I always brush the product through so it goes in between my hair, and then I get to see where I need to fill in more. Now I'm gonna be using Gimme Brow, also by Benefit, and this makes your eyebrows fuller and it also grooms them. I'm gonna be using a blending brush, and I'm gonna go back with my Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm just gonna be using that to put on my eyelid. I'll be using the NARS Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner, and I'll just be using that on the corners of my eyes. And with an angled brush, I'm just going to be pulling that color out and winging it. Now I'm going to use my eyelash curler, the Tweezerman eyelash curler, and I'm gonna curl my lashes. What a difference an eyelash curler makes. Now I'll be putting mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And I like to start at the bottom and wiggle it out. Mascara? No mascara. Mascara? No mascara. We need mascara. For my bottom lashes, I like to use the Kevyn Aucoin, the Volume Mascara. I'll be using the LC Cosmetics, the Skin Reflector for the inner corner highlight. So I grabbed it in a small brush and I'm just going to be placing it right here in the corner. MAC lip liner in Whirl to line my lip. And I'm gonna go back with the Poise tint from Benefit, and I'll put some on my hand, and with my finger I'll put it on top of my lips. And if you want more, just go back and put some more. And I'm just gonna go back with a little bit of powder and just go back, put some on my chin, on my nose, forehead, and right here on my jawline. And there you have it. This is my quick and easy makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Leave me any comments or questions down below, and I hope to see you next time. Can get it open. Was that fast and easy?